Hello, how are you? I hope you are well today. I want to talk to you about a history, lifestyle, and I will tell you about what we should eat and what we should avoid. I am now in a park surrounded by grass and with the trees with flowers and a river. The former means the healthy life and is very important for our body. However, people prefer to drink juices and and soft drinks and though they are delicious, they have a lot of sugar. Pros: fruits and vegetables contain nutrients that are good for our heat and are nutritious. They are also very important for our heat and teeth. It also active and for our body organs. Tones are joy, hunt, food and sweet are very delicious. They harm our body. They are not nutrients and contain a lot for fat. Person, excuse me for interrupting. What I completely agree with you in about phones that are harmful and needing more healthy things. The protagonist. Thank you for this listening. Person, you welcome. Introduction. I prefer to you eat healthy food because it gives us more energy for our bodies and, and also fruits and vegetables. On the other hand, we can eat some sweets, but we don't too much sugar. Thank you